好，欢迎再次来到一年一度好吃好玩又好看的国际童玩节。我时间真的过得好快哦，今年已经是我们第14届的童玩节了。想知道有哪些摊位还有国家今年跟我们一起共襄盛举吗？快跟我一起去瞧瞧 ，Let's go！
Hello.
Yeah, we welcome the SNC.
Yes.
Yeah. So this is the second time the booth join us, right?
Yes.
So do you know what's the difference between last year and this year?
Yes, so we were honored to be invited again for the second time to the Taiwanese Children Festival. Last year was our first time. We're excited to be outdoors this time with a lot more people stopping by. And we're super excited to showcase our culture, our traditions. Our rugs are a big part of our culture, as well as our musical instruments.
And as I know, you're busy for the tradition Nova celebration?
That's right. Nowruz is the beginning of spring, and for us, that's the beginning of the year because the earth is preparing for blooming. The flowers are blooming. So for us, that's a very big part of our culture. Mm-hmm. And we always hold a big festival, very similar to what you're holding, that we invite other cultures. We celebrate the beginning of the year, the beginning of spring with all other cultures as well.
Okay. So did you invite many artists to join the event this year?
That's right. We actually have a group of our dancers. They're actually children who are going to dance as a group representing our culture. Mm-hmm. You're going to see them perform in traditional clothing, Azerbaijani traditional dance.
Okay. So how about the Los Gatos Award?
Yes. So we've been honored to have been awarded the Los Gatos City Award from 2019. Mm-hmm. And we've been at Los Gatos and a nonprofit organization for over 40 years. So that was an honor for us to continue to serve the community and to also give back.
It's amazing.
Yes, we're excited that we're able to build alliances and continue to represent our culture.
Yeah, we're also very happy you can come again.
Definitely.
And enjoy the day, okay?
Yes, thank you, and we hope to see you in our events. Thank you.
Hello, welcome Josephine. Hi. Yeah, can you introduce your booth for Cambodia?
Both these tables are ours. Here we're playing a traditional game, mainly used. It's usually a gambling game, but today we're using it to win candy. And the other part of the booth are showing stuff. This is a traditional game that a lot of people like to play. That's another one right there.
Mm-hmm. So, as you know, how many Cambodians in the Bay Area?
Not too many, but there's still a good chunk. There's a lot of Cambodians in Stockton.
Okay. So, yeah, how would you like to describe the country?
The country, I haven't been there in a while, but I recently went in November. It's grown a lot. It's very, I don't know how to explain it, but it's super nice and homey. It's big. It's bigger than you think, and going around everywhere. Everything's so different, and it's really beautiful.
Okay. So can you speak the language?
I can. I'm fluent in the native language Khmer.
Wow. So teach us how to say have a great day.
That's basically saying hello or how are you doing.
Okay.
This is my family, and this is my cousin visiting from Cambodia.
Okay. So this is
the biggest. Angkor Wat is also is the largest religious structure in the entire world. It's a temple in Siem Reap.
Yeah, it's very famous in the world.
Yeah, incredibly.
Yeah.
Siem Reap is a tourist-heavy place there, just to visit this.
I'd like to visit there soon.
Yeah, you should. It's really nice.
Okay.
In my opinion.
Yeah, thank you for joining us.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, have a nice day. Okay?
You too.
Okay, bye. What did you do?
We're making croissant here today, you see?
Oh, croissant.
Oh, that's a Danish here.
Uh-huh.
We're making a Danish right here, actually, right now.
Okay. So, is that a baguette?
Uh-huh.
Baguette?
Oh, that's not the baguette here. That's going to be for the Danish. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Right? This is you're going to roll it like this. Right? But this is not finished yet.
Okay.
Yeah, we need to work on it.
Yeah, look
Join
at
us and make your own croissant.
Yeah, sure. This is the first time you join our event, right?
Yeah. I came before to KFF, of course. You see, I have my hat.
哦 ，OK，好多小孩好喜欢来这边哦。
对，没错。
对，你们现在在做的是
我们这个摊位呢是法国摊位，那可颂是法国当中最著名的一个小点心嘛，那大家都喜欢小点心，所以呢我们就是以可颂为主题。然后这个呢是我们的主要来自法国的 Alex 这样子，然后我们就是很简单，小朋友只要我们有做一个这样子的一个卡牌，所以小朋友只要按照对有个这样卡牌已经很脏了，因为大家小朋友很投入。然后呢，你只要呢按照这个步骤做，简单的就是切割，然后上色，然后小朋友可以体验到揉黏土，然后呢还有上色的这个过程，然后最后他们可以把他们自己的成品放到这个地方来，对，放到这个地方，所以你看有很
这边有成品，
对，有非常多的成品。那小朋友呢，等一下全部逛完以后，他们还可以再过来，然后拿取他们的成品，这样他们就有一个属于他们一个胜利的一个小成品。
是，所以需要风干一下。
没错，会需要一点时间等这颜料风干。
了解。我看你们两个好忙哦，就不
没错
打扰你们了。
对，
非常谢谢你们今年来参加我们的活动。
谢谢，今天的活动真的很热闹，真的络绎不绝。
是，
真的很多，这现在比较少人，刚刚整个都是满的。
哇，真的，希望以后能够一直看到你们来。
好啊，谢谢。
To the India in a talent booth. So could you let us know what the Inner Talent and the vision are?
Sure. Inner Talent is a non-profit. We created this with the vision to bring generations together through talents. So it's intergenerational people that come together through any talent that they can share with each other.
Oh, okay. Inner Talent has held an event at the Sunnyview Center for last 3 years.
Yes.
Yeah. Can you talk more about that?
Sure. Not only Sunnyview, we have been doing events at many different places like centers in Pleasanton, in San Jose, in Sunnyvale. What we do is we are like a performance in a box. We take all the performers, we take our setup, we do performances for the residents there. We show them about Indian cultural dances, we talk about festivals, Diwali, Holi. We expose them to different things and then we come out. So it's cultural awareness through performances, through talents, which is what we do at Sunnyview. But we also do a lot of hands-on workshop with arts.
Okay.
So we sit there, we create projects, we create different projects with all the seniors. And our volunteers do that all regularly.
Yeah, I think they're happy to see you.
They love it. They want to know more about, what is it that you're wearing on your feet? What is it called? How long have you been learning this dance form?
Wow.
Because the Indian dances, classical dances, you have to really learn for a long time before you can, perform well in front of audience.
I think it's comfort. Right?
It's very comforting for them. They don't know the music, they don't understand the language, but they are literally just dancing with us.
yeah, it's a really good opportunity to know each other.
It is.
Yeah,
it is.
and I read in a talent over the summer academic.
Yes.
For kids.
So during summer, what we do is because we have a very good big talent pool now, volunteer pool. We just started during pandemic because all of the things in pandemic affected children and adults, and that is what our demographic thing was. So we just decided we have to do something different. And our volunteers started to teach online because that time all these elementary kids, they didn't know what to do. And boom, like that we had an academy online. And now that's been 4 years we're going on. They just create their own classes, whatever they are passionate about, they talk about it, and it's just a simple class for people to attend.
Yeah. Sounds
Very
welcome.
experience India. Today, India booth, we have a village scene. This is a scene in a village. Typical India village scene is like this. We have a display of Diwali items. We are actually doing an activity of playing Holi with children. Holi is a festival of color. We usually put colors on faces. Today, we are taking the opportunity to put on canvas.
Yes. Yeah.
Thank you for visiting.
All beautiful products. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you so much to join us. Yeah, we hope to see you every year. Okay.
Hopefully, yes. Thank you. Namaste.
Thank you.
Okay, one more.
欢迎 Joyce 今天代表伊朗来参加我们的活动，是，请你多介绍一下你们的booth好吗？
好的，我们今天的主题是伊朗新年。那伊朗新年我们又称为 Nowruz。那每一年的伊朗新年呢，伊朗家庭就会 在家里一个特别的角落布置一个桌子呢，上面放特别的东西。那这里头呢，要包括7种一定要摆设的。那这7样东西，它的开头的发音一定要是 S。比如说这个苹果呢，我们叫做seed。哇哦。然后这个麦草就是刚发芽的草，这个麦草我们就叫做 sabzi。然后像前面这里有一杯醋，就叫做 sake。那你可以发现它的 beginning 上都是 S。对。那还有就是我们请小朋友做这个 crab 是金鱼，因为这个桌上也要摆一只金鱼。那金鱼代表就是生命。那伊朗的新年是每一年在年头，就是春天快来的时候，所以应该就是1月2月之间这样。
所以这个文化是不是跟我们华人有一点像，有一个年年有余的感觉？
呀，也可以这么说，对对对。不过金鱼就是代表生命力。
是的。那你觉得伊朗社区在我们这个湾区好找吗？
不好找。
那我们怎么样找到你？
因为我认识 Rita， 是对主办人 Rita， 然后 Rita 就邀请我。那同时我又觉得说，我们这个社区对伊朗可能比较不了解，因为伊朗人可能就是算是比较少数嘛，在湾区。是。那大家有时候会把伊朗跟伊拉克搞混呐，然后以为或者是说觉得他们两个是一样的国家，所以有时候我要去伊朗的时候，大家就说：“哎呀，要小心哦。”其实伊朗跟伊拉克差很多，地理位置可能很接近啦。可是伊朗算是一个比社会治安非常安全的地方。那其实他们对女性也是很尊重。是。对，所以有一些误解，我觉得都是因为，我觉得是政治人物吧，他们在做一些议题上的宣导的时候，会故意去挑起这个族群之间的不和谐。那我觉得这个活动很好，就是可以让我们走入社区，跟大家多介绍一下，也许大家比较陌生的国家或人这样。
是，所以真的需要多多的交流，才能够彼此了解。对。那今天Joyce也带了可爱的女儿来，
对，
来，
这个是我女儿，来，这是嘉玲，你要不要讲几句话？
镜头 say hi，OK？ 来。
我要说什么？
说你是嘉玲。
我是嘉玲。
那你喜欢这个活动吗？
对。
为什么？
因为有很多不一样的国家，然后很多人可以像面见，然后找到不一样的朋友，跟像各式各样的小朋友。
非常可爱。好的，所以真的。今天天气非常好，也希望你们能够好好享受今天。谢谢 Joyce，
不客气，谢谢。
Hi, this is the Israel booth, and I met Ray in the churches. Yeah. So can you introduce your booth to us?
Absolutely. Hi guys, welcome to the International Kids Festival. Welcome to Israel. We have here the beach, so this is a representation of the beach in Israel. We have many different beaches. We have the Red Sea, we have the Mediterranean Sea, and we have the Dead Sea. This is the official flag of Israel. We have a representation of different Israeli snacks.
Wow.
We have the diversity of the people of Israel. You can see there's Druze, Muslims, Bedouins, ultra-Orthodox, Christians, Jews, Baha'i, Caucasian, all living in peace in Israel. This is a representation of the Wailing Wall or the Western Wall.
Yeah.
It is part of the outer wall of the Second Temple that was destroyed, and actually the only piece that's left from 20 BC. So people come here from all nations to come and have a wish or say a prayer or thank you.
Okay. Yeah.
So this year we just want people to get a little bit more familiar with the country and the people and the culture. Very warm culture, very giving people, very good community. We welcome all people from all nations, and I honestly pray for peace and pray for anyone to be able to come and visit Israel.
Okay. Yeah, so I think this is the first time during our event.
Yes.
So can we see you after years?
Yeah, I think it's a beautiful event. A beautiful event. Yeah. Thank you so much for having us.
Yeah, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Yeah. Have a great day.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Shalom, shalom, shalom aleichem. Thank you. Yay.
Hello, Susan. Hi. 来到了 NBA is our old friend, right? You join our event every year.
Yes, I actually maybe 13 years.
Wow.
13 years every year I attending. Thank you so much. We're so happy.
Okay. Yeah, I know you perform a dance performance to us. So what's the dance this year?
Yes, today we bring kids jazz dance, kids hip hop.
Okay.
And yeah, like this kind of jazz dance and hip hop and yes.
Yeah. So where the people can find the NDS if they feel interested in your studio?
Yes, thank you. Yes, my studio is at Cupertino's. From here is only 3 minutes. Yeah, 3 minutes in front of Apple. Like Apple. Behind of a Target.
Okay.
Yeah, front of a Target. The YMCA Cupertino, like this area.
Oh,
Yes,
okay.
just 3 minutes from here.
Yeah.
We have a studio about with 40 years.
Okay.
Yeah, have a business.
So we are the neighbor, right?
Yes,
Really?
very neighbor, yeah.
Yeah, I'm so happy to see you again.
Thank you so much.
It's you definitely will come in again for the next year, right?
Sure. Yeah. That's
Okay,
it, too.
okay, go.
Yeah, we are exciting for the stage today. Please everybody come to 1:15.
Come. Hi, Sally. Tell us where we find you.
Oh, yes, I know Rita.
Okay.
She used to volunteer at my nonprofit that I used to work at, Asian Americans for Community Involvement. So she invited me to a table for Laos.
Okay. So are there many Lao people to stay in the area?
In America, there's about 250,000 Lao Americans, and we have some statistics here in this frame on the states that they live in and where they live here in the Bay Area.
Okay. So how would you describe the country?
I would say it's very slow-paced, country living. We're known for the temples, the waterfalls, and just the natural environment. Yeah.
Okay, so most people are Buddhists?
Buddhists, yeah,
Okay.
Theravada Buddhists.
Okay, yeah. So can you teach me how to say good morning in Laos?
Yes, it's Sabaidi Tonsao.
Sabaidi Dangsao.
Yes.
Okay, Sabaidi Dangsao. Can you introduce your product
Oh, the activities.
or everything?
Okay.
Yeah.
So we just have some information here about Lao Americans coming to the U.S. and where they're located. We're also raffling off some Lao prizes, an elephant bag, or you could get your name written in Lao on a shirt or another Lao bag. You just have to complete the forms and put it in one of the buckets. Over here we have a ball toss for the kids in a sticky rice basket. If you make it in, you get a mango gummy candy or guava heart candy. And then she's also asking if you know where it's located. And then you get a stamp.
Okay, Pia, how are you?
Hi, good, doing really well. It's a wonderful day here today.
Yeah. So can you introduce the SSCC to our audiences?
Absolutely. SSCC is the Scandinavian School and Cultural Center. We are a language immersion preschool and a cultural center focusing on the Nordic and Scandinavian countries. And we offer language classes in 4 different languages. We offer cultural events, and we do have a language immersion preschool as well. And we are here today representing the Nordic countries.
Yeah. So what languages does SSCC teaching now?
So we are teaching the 4 different Nordic languages. So that is Swedish, Norwegian, Danish, and Finnish.
Okay, so the immersed language program is only for kids or adults can join it?
So we offer classes for all ages. We have a language immersion preschool for preschool children, but we also offer language classes for children and adults. So really all ages. We offer language immersion for all ages.
Great. So would you like to talk more about the Together campaign?
Yeah, so the Together campaign was a big project we had when we wanted to expand our campus to be able to offer more of our events and classes. So we did a big fundraising campaign over the last few years, and we've been able to expand, almost double our campus up in San Francisco. So today we're able to offer more events, more classes, and especially more language education for our adult students.
Yeah, sounds great.
Instead of a piñata at the birthday party in the Nordic countries, you go fish.
Oh. Well, yeah, got it.
Okay.
Wow!
And here's your catch.
Yeah, interesting. I got a gift. So yeah, thank you for joining us this year. Yeah,
Thank you.
Yeah, have a nice day.
Thank you.
Hi, welcome to the BCC booth. And I heard the BCC doesn't like ladies.
Oh no, that's not true. Most of our dancers are actually ladies. Most of the cloggers around the world are ladies.
Okay.
What was unique about our dance company is we were also trying to get men to learn how to dance and try to promote men dancing. But a lot of our dancers are actually female.
Okay. So what's different between the tap and the clogging?
So tap comes out of clogging. And when clogging first started, it came from all the different immigrants in the United States, and they were each sharing their dance styles. Now the Irish cloggers, they loved the fast footwork.
Okay.
The African cloggers loved intricate rhythms.
Yeah.
And I think what happened was a lot of the African cloggers who would perform on stage, their style was more rhythmic, and that eventually started being called tap.
Okay.
So it's more the rhythmic style.
As I know, the shoes are different, right?
Yes, the shoes are slightly different. If you can see here, the shoes have loose taps. And so they're not flat taps like in regular tap, but we have loose taps.
Yeah, so the river dancing is different with clogging.
Yes.
Okay.
They don't have taps at all. I think they use it's a hard-soled shoe that they use, but I think it might even be fiberglass. I'm not sure. Starting at $3.50. We have games for the kids. We have a word search that also has a QR code to play a game where they can learn about clogging, they can learn about Bay Area history, and they can also see some videos of our performances.
Okay. Could you show this for a little bit?
So I will show a cowboy step with a bit of a bell kick.
Sure.
So this is a cowboy. That's our cowboy step.
Thank you. Come. To see the BCC booth. Okay. Hi, Kudra. Could you tell us what's the UCCSFBA and the mission?
All right. So UCCSFBA, it's an Uzbek Community Center of San Francisco Bay Area. So founded in 2019 in February.
Yeah.
And our mission is preserve, promote, and Uzbek language, culture through art, sport, and education among the Uzbek immigrants who immigrated to the United States, who are living in the Bay Area.
Okay. So now, how many members in the organization?
So lately, past few years, the members are growing, and it's, I would say, like 500 or 600 families reside in the Bay Area.
Okay.
And among them, there's some of the immigrants who came in the beginning of the 1991 when the USSR is, became separate, and Uzbekistan became independent in 1991.
Okay. Yeah. So where can we find the organization?
So our organization is located in the daily city of San Francisco Bay Area.
Okay.
So.
So can you introduce your booth,
the
products for us?
Yeah, please. As you see, we have some of the information that created one of the students. Her name is Camila Rahim Hajaiva. So this is, here she is. So she's the organizer or like a creator of this information, kids-friendly information about our population, language, flag, and as you see the famous people. One of them is the poet and Al-Biruni Al-Khwarizmi, the person who invented algebra. He's the founder of the algebra. And this is the coat of arms. As you see, the cotton and the grain. So Uzbekistan is rich on growing cotton and grain. Also,
Okay.
these are some of our like culture related dishes and dolls, and this is a hat. As you see, it's worn and on this
Costume.
beautiful lady. As you see on her, it's more of it's a national attribute for the head. And these are mans.
Yeah.
This is the national chapan, I would say, coat, and the special the scarf that worn on the belt as a belt. And as you see on the head, there's this four like a corner hat for specifically for men. This is for women.
Okay.
So there's a difference. So, and as you see,
The beautiful art.
this is beautiful art, and also these are made out of paper, papier-mâché. It's the old school how they made in the ancient time the dolls for the kids, so they don't get bored. So it's 18. Go back to 1700.
Wow, it's
So,
amazing.
yeah,
It's all
it
made
is.
by paper, right?
Exactly. So
Okay.
yeah. And we have some information booklets. It's 12 reason or 10 reason to visit Uzbekistan. As you see, there are so many like architectural covered by UNESCO. And the city Samarkand, Bukhara, and the national dishes.
yummy
And these are
food.
2,500 years old cities. So we kind of long time ago we were a secluded country, but now we open to everyone, so you guys can visit and travel. We have so many ethnic groups in Uzbekistan, not just Uzbeks. We have combination of all the cultures. So, and as you see,
It's such a beautiful country.
it is. It is.
Yeah, and I'd like to visit it soon.
Yes, please. And this is for you.
Oh.
And hold on a second. Not yet. Not yet.
Okay.
You have to
Wow.
wear this.
Wow. Yeah, I'd like to try it.
She can hold.
Oh, thank you. Oh.
And for the picture, yeah.
Wow, it's so pretty.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, this is worn mostly by newlywed girls.
Oh.
So this is you look like a bride now.
Thank you, thank you. Yeah. 今天跟我们走访了这么多的摊位，以及看了这么多的国家表演，是不是你也心动了呢？迫不及待的想来参加我们的活动，所以明年等你哦，继续来参与我们的童玩节，拜拜。